Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time you. This time we talk about J-Hope announced BTS plan for a full comeback after discharge in June. J-Hope raised expectation for the full comeback of BTS on the 23rd. A video titled "One by One," the BTS member Jista hope to have plans right was uploaded on the Yoo Jung Jae-hong channel. Did J-Hope explain regarding the release of his solo song? I have been thinking that I want to quickly share a good song with the fans, so I prepared everything as a single project this year. Jung Jae Hyunga, who are collaborating with for this album, J-Hope replied, "I work with an artist named Mikhail, and during the audition preparation, I used his music and practical and the practice were dancing to his song and the connection resulting. He's an artist I listened to a lot when I was young and was share a good connection resulting in a collaborating song. There is another single which I will probably debut on stay in New York." And the Jung Chae Hyung asked, "But you have time in this year, right? Namjoon is still in the army and all the kids are still in the army, right?" Cheho revealed, "I'll be discharged in June." In response, Jung Chae Hyung whispered, "Oh, you guys have already planned everything. You guys are already making more, right?" And they showed it anticipation for the full group. J-Hope laughed and said, "We need to it meticulously. There has to come full careful planning." Jung Chae Hyung, that's great. So what will come right out after you discharge? For cases, I think we will prepare various PTA related activity right after I am discharged. In particular, Jung Jae Hyung mentioned even Namjoon knows when he is going to release an album. You ever release an album while you are in the army? Did not you? So it's hard to say that someone went to the army when there were so many albums during the time filled with content. And J-Hope said it seemed that each member has a strong desire for music, but I really like that. It gave us good influence on each other. And did you express it so magnificently? I should do it too. Personally, I think there should be a gift like album when entering the army, but I think everyone feels the same way. So as we work, I noticed that this gets and the meticulously organized and the aligned in the album. Jung Jae Hyun commented outside of the overall and schedule for BTS must operate. It seems really nice that we can constantly push each other desire in between that, and it seemed really nice. And the J-Hope share his struggle be saying that make it difficult because it's 7 member time and the timing become really tough to navigate, and each of the 7 has such different preference and now each of their style have developed and everyone want their own timing making it really hard to coordinate things. And then Jung Chae Hyung replied, "It's tough but I think it's very meaningful and fair if you are fight over that in a group album." And there was no answer. Is not that why all groups have broken up in the past? J-Hope responded, "I will keep that in mind." Jung Jae Hyung praised, "I intend to make this kind of music. However, I need to experiment. If I don't try, I will only have dream and desire, and I think it can be definitely happen. But I believe it's important for each person to explore in their own field, and I think it's really cool that everyone wants to do that in their own album." I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.